first word we're going to build is the word that describes what happened to Wilma when the rain poured on her. What happened to her fur? Excellent, she got wet, didn't she? She got very wet. So I want to make the word wet with my sounds. But first, I need to know how many sounds are in that word. So I need to listen to the word wet. How many sounds can you hear in that word? Excellent. I can hear 3 sounds too. So show yourself 3 fingers. Let's pinch our sounds on. Wet. Wet. What's the first sound? Excellent. It is w. Next. W. Fantastic. Can you see on our board? When I point to give me a thumbs up because that's our next sound for wet. Say over here. Well done if you gave me a thumbs up. Last sound. Excellent. Where is it? Can you see it on our board? Is that? It is. That's our last sound. Let's read our word to make sure. Say the sound when I point to it. Wet. Fantastic. Wilma got very wet. She did. I'm going to put those sounds back and we're going to build one more word. We're going to build the word web. Web. Let's sound that out. Ebb. Ebb. How many sounds can you hear? I can hear 3 too. Show me 3 and pinch your sounds on. Web. Ebb. Web. What's that first sound? It's the same again. It's our w sound. Web. Have a look for Can you see our sound? It's over here somewhere. Web. And what's the last sound in our word web? Fantastic. Web. Let's read our word together. Web. Well done, reception. That's excellent. Blending and segmenting. You were listening for all those sounds, for those words that begin with our sound of the day. What's our sound of the day again? Well done. Say it to the ceiling. Say it to the floor. Say it to the window. Say it to the door. What's that sound? Fantastic. What we're going to do now, we have said the sound, we have read the sound, it's time to write our sound, okay? So we're going to move over to our board over here. And the first thing we're going to do is write the letter W, the sound W, with our magic pen. Give it a sharpen. Fantastic. And we start at the top. And we go down, up, down, up. And again, down, up, down, up. It's the letter W. Fantastic. The sound W. And the next thing I want to do is write our letter over here. And what you can do is practice writing it at home. So have a look at the board. We're going to start over here. Down, up, down, up. What's that sound? W. Fantastic. What's that letter? W. And have a look at these pictures. We've got Wilma's web. You're going to help me write that word now. Web. Get your pinchy fingers. Remember, we heard 3 sounds in this word. Get your pinchy fingers ready. 3. W. E. B. First sound. W. Next sound. W. E. Fantastic. Last sound. B. Well done. Web. And I'm going to make a little bit of a list of all the things that Wilma saw. She saw a web, and she also saw something that goes on your head. It was really funny. It was the colourful wig. Excellent. We're going to write the word wig in our list, and it goes under web. So let's sound it out. You can hear those 3 sounds again. Wig. Pinch those sounds on. W. I. G. Wig. What's that first sound? W. Well done. Our next sound. W. I. And our last sound. G. Fantastic. And your challenge at home today is to practice writing the letter W, the sound W that we learnt today, with your perfect formation starting at the top of your page. I want you to make sure that it's like a bit of a zigzag, isn't it? And then we need to make sure we're writing it correctly. And then what you can do is write a list of words, like I've started here. Web and wig. What could come next? Let me see what your fantastic ideas are by taking a picture of your work and putting it on Tapestry. I can't wait to see